So who doesn't love a dinner that's made in 15 minutes or less? Also super healthy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some egg roll bowls.
This super easy recipe is a one-pan meal, requiring only 5 minutes of prep time, 15 minutes of cook time, and less than 10 ingredients. It's low carb and can fit into Paleo, Keto, and Whole30 dietary requirements. This recipe will make about 2 servings. Let's get started by heating up a skillet over medium heat with a little oil. I'm using the avocado oil spray from Trader Joe's. I shared it in my recent Trader Joe's haul, and I'll link that video here in case you missed it. And once the pan heats up, go ahead and add half a pound of a ground meat of your choice. I'm using ground beef, but you can easily swap it with the meat of your preference, and use a spatula to break it up so it cooks evenly. Now add about 1/4 to 1/2 of a medium onion, depending on how much onion you prefer. Now cook until the meat is nearly done and the onions are turning translucent, making sure you're stirring regularly. Then add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. At this point, you can add any seasoning of your choice. I'm using the everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's a mix of salt, pepper, onions, garlic, and chili flake. Cook until the meat has browned, and now add an entire package of shredded cabbage or coleslaw mix. Cabbage is actually packed with nutrients like vitamin C and vitamin K, contains antioxidants like beta-carotene, and helps improve digestion and boosts immunity. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until the cabbage has wilted. And as it's just about done, add 2 to 3 chopped green onions. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut liquid aminos. To make it lower carb or keto friendly, you can substitute with Bragg's liquid aminos, tamari, or a low sodium soy sauce. I would also normally add 2 teaspoons of Sriracha at this point, but I was sharing this meal with my mom, who doesn't like spicy, so I left it out. And if everyone in your family likes a different sauce, you can make it just like this, and then let them add different sauces on top. And when it's done, I turn off the heat and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil doesn't hold up well to heat, so I prefer not to cook with it and add it at the end for the flavor. And for more sesame flavor, a little added crunch, and some extra protein, I top with sesame seeds. Now spoon a generous serving into a bowl, and dinner is served.
Okay, and then here's the final product. I topped it with some extra sesame seeds, fresh cilantro, and a couple slices of some fresh jalapeno, just because I like things a little spicy. And I also like to serve it with sriracha. Super easy weeknight meal. Took me less than 15 minutes. Okay, so bowls are done. And if you like videos like this or like to watch really quick, easy one-pan dinners, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I share my daily dinners that I make uncut, raw, as I'm making them. So if that's something you're into, definitely follow me on Instagram. And you can also leave a comment below if there's any particular meal you'd want to see made quicker or healthier. I will definitely think of the recipes for that, so feel free to leave those comments below, and subscribe to my channel if you like these quick videos, because it is a topic I will surely be posting again. Until next time, bye guys.